In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to arch text in Adobe Illustrator quickly and professionally. Whether you're designing a logo, a badge, a poster, or social media graphics, creating curved or arched text is a super useful skill that instantly makes your designs look more dynamic. The best part is, Illustrator has a built-in tool that makes this incredibly easy. So if that sounds helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Illustrator tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document or open an existing project where you want to add your arch text. Once your document is ready, go over to the toolbar on the left and select the Type tool. You can also press the shortcut key T on your keyboard to activate it instantly. Now click anywhere on your artboard and type the text you want to arch. This can be a single word, a phrase, or even a full title, depending on your design. Once you've typed your text, you can adjust the font, size, spacing, and alignment from the top control panel or the character panel. I always recommend finalizing your font choice and general sizing before applying the arch effect, because it helps you better visualize the final result. After you're happy with how the text looks, switch to the Selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard and click on the text to make sure it's selected. Now here's where the magic happens. With your text selected, go up to the top menu and click on Effect. From the drop-down menu, hover over Warp and then choose Arc. As soon as you click Arc, a Warp Options dialog box will appear. You'll immediately see your text begin to curve in a default arch shape. Inside this Warp Options panel, the most important control is the Bend slider. This slider determines how dramatic the arch will be. If you move the slider to the right, the text will curve downward into a stronger arch. If you move it to the left into negative values, the text will arch upward instead. This is perfect for creating badge-style designs or curved headings. Take your time adjusting the bend slider until you get the exact curve you're looking for. You can also experiment with the horizontal and vertical distortion sliders, but in most cases, you won't need to touch those for a simple, clean arch effect. Make sure the preview box is checked so you can see the changes happening live on your artboard. If you want a classic top arch, keep the bend positive. If you're designing something like a logo badge and need text on the bottom, try using a negative bend value. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click OK to apply the effect. And that's it. Your text is now arched. One important thing to remember is that this effect is still live, which means you can go back and adjust it anytime. To edit it again, simply select the text, go to the Appearance panel, and click on the warp effect listed there. This flexibility is great because you don't have to start over if you change your mind later. If you ever need to convert the arch text into fully editable vector shapes, for example for logo delivery or advanced editing, you can go to Object, then Expand Appearance. Just keep in mind that once expanded, the text will no longer be editable as text. So that's how you arch text in Illustrator using the Warp Arc effect. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and perfect for creating curved typography in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.